Today, the networks that power our smartphones and internet-connected devices are mostly based on what's known as 4G technology, but higher performance 5th generation wireless called 5G is coming, and it promises to take us places we've never been before. So 5G is considered key to the Internet of Things, which is the name given to the notion of tying just about any and everything into the internet. Billions of sensors will be built into appliances, security systems, health monitors, door locks, and wearables, from smartwatches to dog collars. Analyst firm Gartner predicts the number of networked devices will skyrocket from about 5 billion in 2015 to 25 billion by the end of 2020. Plus, 5G networks will actually be about 66 times faster than 4G. That speed opens up intriguing new capabilities. Self-driving cars can make time-critical decisions. Video chats will make you feel like you're in the same room as the person you're talking to. And cities can monitor traffic congestion, pollution levels, and parking demand, and then feed that information to your smart car in real time. But now let me give you 3 reasons why you personally should be excited about 5G. The first reason is new realities. 5G is going to push augmented reality and virtual reality into the mainstream. Augmented reality overlays information like walking directions, product prices, or acquaintance names over our view of the real world by, for example, projecting data onto a car windshield. Virtual reality creates an entirely artificial view, but both need to pull in new data almost instantly. Reason number 2, instant gratification. Download speed should increase from today's 4G peak of about 150 megabits per second to at least 10 gigabits per second. That's fast enough to download Guardians of the Galaxy in 4 seconds rather than 6 minutes. Finally, the third reason why 5G is going to be a huge deal is lightning fast response. In addition to cramming more bits into every second, 5G is going to shorten the lag time before the first bits show up. Waiting a few seconds for a streaming video to start over 4G is no big deal, but that's unacceptably slow for things like self-driving cars, where every millisecond counts. 4G ideally needs about 15 to 25 milliseconds for one car to tell another behind it that it's begun emergency braking, but that delay is actually going to drop to only 1 millisecond with 5G, and that could actually save thousands of lives. But now that I've hopefully gotten you all excited about 5G, you're probably wondering when this new network system will be launching. Well, unfortunately, it won't be for several years. The wireless industry is fixated on delivering the first 5G networks by 2020, and both AT&T and Nokia say that schedule is reasonable. Whenever it does launch though, 5G really is going to change the world. Don't be fooled, even though this is actually only 1 generation higher than 4G, 5G is a huge deal. It's going to connect the world in ways that have always been impossible before, while bringing even more people and appliances online. But anyways, that's it for this video, so let me know what you want to see in 5G networks in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you're excited for the next generation of wireless, and I will see you next time.